Interesting. Now, how you can improve more, guys? The real question is how we can improve more. The real thing will be good when it can give answer from my own document. How many of you agree with me? If I attach a another tool like Google Doc, so suppose if I attach a another tool which is called as Google Docs, what we will do, I will change the first of all lead, capture, and enrich. Enrich AI agent. This is the one that we have created. Okay, everyone is with me, right? I will create a duplicate for this. Let's create a duplicate for this. This is a agent with my knowledge. Everyone, yes or no? With my own knowledge, rather than using the external knowledge. What if we have a my knowledge? It will give from my knowledge only. Yes or no? How many of you want it? For example, let me tell you a simple example. Okay, I want to give this, right? So instead of this is not a doctor form now. Okay, it's not a doctor form. I want, suppose this is the testing academy that we have, everyone. This is the testing academy that we have. And consider this scenario. We are launching a course. Okay, everyone. We are launching a course in this example. Let's suppose this is a Python course that we are launching. There is a one course that we are launching. This is one of the course that we are launching. I want this lead to know about this course whenever he is asking about it, which means we will capture the lead. We will capture the lead. So this is, instead of this, now we'll say, let's suppose this is a testing academy bot. This is a testing, let's suppose this is the testing academy helper. Okay, suppose this is a support. It's not a bot now. It's just a support. It's a support which will basically will give you. So you just mention about your problem that you are facing with in the problem section, and I will send you the what you need to do and how the next webinar we are organizing, it will be helpful for you. So this is where the description is. Okay, this is a description and everything we have captured. Now what we are going to do here in this case, everyone, let me click save. I will modify this AI agent. What I will do, I will add another tool also, which means it will get the information from my Google Doc. How many of you are with me? It will get the information from my Google Doc. Which doc we are talking about? Last time, what you can do is, you can create a Google document, everyone. You can create a Google document. Just go to this one, the repository. I have a document, which is this document, everyone. This document, which is my AI powered framework, this is a document which contains all the information about when is the webinar, when is the information, right? Each and everything. This is a detail. What I am going to tell this one is, this is not a doctor one, by the way. So this is, let me check if it is AI agent. Let me go back to this document में कुछ भी, you can add anything. You can add anything in this case. So this is with my knowledge. With my knowledge is basically means what we are doing here is here give me 1 second. I think we have modified the previous one. This one is normal. Let's see. This one we have modified, right? So this is with my knowledge, everyone. Okay. This is let me delete this. Okay, everyone. This one we don't need. Click on save. With my knowledge is the second one. Okay, this one is we are basically building the with my knowledge, this one. Okay, so here I will add a tool which is Docs, Google Docs. Okay, this is you can say about our company or about our program, whatever the program we are running, everyone. Okay, here I will say which folder name. It is asking me in your drive what is the folder name, what is the folder name that you have, and what is the title for that. Okay, what is the title for that? The testing. If you will be able to find it also. Okay, so which document? So do you want to create the document? No, we want to get the document. Yes or no? We want to get the document, right? Just select the document. So here, just it is asking me ki where is the document, give me the document link. So we'll just copy this link, we'll enter here. So let's see if it is able to get the document or not. Fetch the document. So it will now fetch the details from this document and then give you the answer. So I will now modify this, everyone. I will now modify this and I will ask, this is what I will make a change. Everyone, the last change that we are going to have. Now I will ask that please modify this prompt so that it fetch the information from the about document, which is this document, which is this tool which you're talking about, which is about our program, or about us. You can say, let me give me 1 second. Let me change the name to about us. Let me make this as about us in this case. ठीक है, इसका नाम about us कर दिया. This is my information in this case. Okay, make sure you click on save. Now we will basically mention, right? Can you please now change the prompt where we will be using another tool which is called as about us. So first you need to understand or read the about us, and if the problem matches whatever the user is asking, get the information from the about us tool, and then figure out a AI suggestion. Based on that, you need to notify. So this is one major change we have done. Everyone with me? There is one major thing I have changed. Same thing now we have modified for this, that okay, final will be you are a AI assistant, right? For a medical one. Now I will check that okay, this is not a medical thing and everything. We will basically modify it. By the way, you will see that it is doing push the capture one, this is same, polished one, this is same, right? And here it is mentioning that you need to read from the data. First thing is you need to read the data from about us. You need to read the data from about us. Read the text from the about us tool. You need to read the data from about us tool, right? Now uh, please modify this, that you are actually a AI assistant for a website known as thetestingacademy.com, where users are asking questions related to career related, and all the question answer are present in about us tool. So which I have basically modified now. Okay, click everyone. So which I have modified. So now the AI agent is changed, totally changed, everyone. Now this is the final version. You are a AI intelligent in this case. I will just copy paste all the things, send professional email. This is the email and everything. One thing we need to check before you cannot use this blindly, everyone. You can't, you go based on the about this. So this is the copy paste and everything. You can basically copy it from here. Now we are going to change the prompt, everyone. Okay, clear with this point? One thing you will notice is that in the about us, it is asking about the about us. No, this one we don't need. Read and understand the about us tool content. This is what I have mentioned, that understand the testing academy scope from the read and understand the about us tool component from the content. Use this tool, use this tool to determine the topics and area that testing academy covers, such as career guidance and everything. And based on that, based on the problem, then you will give the answer in this case. Okay, so this is how we have modified. Now what will happen is there is a magical thing will happen, everyone. What is the magical thing will happen? Let me show you what exactly will happen now. Okay, let's run this tool. Okay, here I will enter my detail. Let's suppose pramod@3@teachu.ai. Now I will ask questions related to my document, which is I am a manual tester. How do I switch to automation? So this is a very specific problem which we will get from about us, right? And another thing I will ask is, when is the next webinar? I will also ask when is the next webinar also. Okay, click on submit. Now you will see magical thing will happen. Now AI agent is reading from the about us. Can you see that? Can you see that? First of all, it has read from the about us first. Then it will capture the lead, and then it will notify the user. How many of you are with me? After that, it will notify the user that okay, yeah, I got your answers. So if you see, here is the Pramod plus 3. Manual tester, how do I switch? So here from the document, the Testing Academy offers a job ready automation tester, which is basically scheduled on 5th of September. We highly recommend this. And also, interesting thing is, the magical thing you will see is that you will also get an email. How many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat. Ye raha email. Thanks for reaching out. Relevance score is 10 out of 10. Free masterclass is happening on this. This is your tool, and this is how the assessment will be. Now, this is a specific personalized lead enrichment tool. How many of you agree with me? You have made it only for Testing Academy. So now you can make it your own also, right? This is how you create lead capture and enrichment tool.